What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning into another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now guys, in this video we'll be going over the Curlsmith Scalp recipe collection. Guys, you will not believe it. Curlsmith sent me a huge PR package for me to go over with you guys today. I did receive the Curlsmith Scalp recipe. Here it is right here, and we'll be going over all the products today that you see. This package is so cute. Everything is color coordinated, and I actually got a chance to use it on my hair, and it works, guys. If you want to find out more about the Curlsmith products, about how I applied them on my hair specifically, keep watching. Using their new Detox Microbiome Scalp System, and it's right here. There were 3 products that came in this box, and they all are related to scalp care. And I will show you the 3 products on the back. Here they are listed in step 1, step 2, and step 3. All 3 of these products in this package are going to be used in the shower. Here are the 3 products right here that we'll be going over first, and this is for their scalp care in the shower, guys. You have step 1, which is your Super Slip Pre-Biotic Primer. This is a microbiome balance to stimulate, protect, and detangle. So this helps with a lot of different things, and again, this was the primer. You also have step 2, which is your wash and scrub detox. Oh, it felt so good. And this was the Pro-Biotic. It just says to apply on wet hair after the Curlsmith Super Slip Pre-Biotic Primer. Massage vigorously into the scalp to break down product buildup and rinse through thoroughly. So I definitely did all the steps correctly, as you'll see in the next slides to follow. And then step 3 is your Post-Biotic Calming Conditioner, which was super great. It brought back so much moisture to my hair. And this is the cooling conditioner for all hair types, and this is to restore microbiome, refresh, smooth, and hydrate. All 3 of these products worked amazing on my hair, and you guys will see later in the video me actually applying them. There's also a deep conditioner in here, which you'll see me using as well. This is the Hydro Creme Soothing Mask. Y'all, this is like the smoothest cream, and it smells really good. It's so smooth. So you guys are going to see me in the shower applying all of these products. You're also going to see me out of the shower applying more products for my styling process, and then we'll wrap it up at the end of the video with my final thoughts and to tell you guys if the Curlsmith scalp recipe is, as always, Aaliyah approved or not. What's up, guys? So I am back and I'm out of the shower. It's been about 24 hours since you guys last saw me. Yes, after my shower, after I use these bomb Curlsmith products, I put my hair in some dookie braids, just going straight back like that, and I went to bed, honey. Now we'll be going in the Weightless Air Dry Cream. Now this is a leave-in conditioner for all hair types. I'll be using this as my cream today, and we'll be applying this as the base for our products. You're actually supposed to use this in the shower. I did not. I'll be using this in conjunction with the Flexi jelly. This is the Hydro Style Flexi jelly. This is a styling gel for curly and wavy hair types. So we'll be using this product today as well. I think I'm most excited for the jelly because the jelly is going to determine how much definition I get, and I feel like the cream is going to help with volume and hydration. So we shall certainly see what these products, what they feel to do, what they feel to work with. Before I go to bed, I am going to put the full length denser Elixir on here. This is for hair that looks thicker, denser, fuller, and healthier. So you're just supposed to apply this, and it does say that you apply this at night, and it's just a few drops once daily, and then you see the benefits over 3 months results. So you are supposed to use this every night, just a few drops on your head. So I do have here also some aloe vera juice. We will be soaking our hair so it's nice, moist, and wet. So we're going to wet our hair with the aloe vera juice, and then we're going to apply the products. We're going to also apply the elixir, and then we're going to see what's what. By the way, if I didn't already let you know, we'll be doing a wash and go. Alright, y'all, so half of my head is done. As you can see, the curls are starting to come through, but they really do need to dry to get the full effect of the products. I will show you guys a before and after. And then this is how it looks with the products applied to it. And then I did apply again the Weightless Air Dry Cream, and then also the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. This is such a lightweight product, guys. So if you do have like thicker or denser hair, just know that this is very, very light. As I was like putting it in my hands, it had a lot of slip to it. The cream is very creamy, very smooth. This is a lightweight product as well. I really did enjoy the cream. I also like the gel, but we're going to keep moving to the other side, and then I'm not sure if I'm gonna let this air dry or I should sit under a hooded blow dryer, so we'll have to figure that out too. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other side. Alright, y'all, so I have just completed both sides of my head, but these are the final results so far with all the product added into it. I hope as it dries I'll definitely get some more definition because I don't have a lot right now. Another thing that I realized is that they're very hydrating. Like, my hair is completely drenched right now, which is great. Before I do let this dry, I do want to go in with the full length density elixir. You're supposed to use this at night, and it does say to use this up to 3 months. So we're just going to unravel it simply like that. And here is the product right here, guys. This is an elixir. go like that. Oh, it went right down my face, y'all. That went right down my face, y'all. I had to get that out of there. All right, so we're just gonna apply some drops all over my head. Oh, it feels really good. Whew, all right, that feels really good. So we're just gonna work that in. It feels so hydrating on my scalp. I'm nervous, guys. I don't know how it's gonna dry. It's definitely super hydrating. The curls are already starting to come through, but it is a little bit weighed down from all the products. So right now, it's not a lot of definition happening. I keep looking in the mirror, so we shall see. But I am gonna go ahead and allow my hair to dry. I think I'm gonna sit under a hooded dryer. I don't know. I'll let you guys know when I come back when it's fully dry, and then we can discuss the rest of the products, and we can also discuss how it works on my hair. All right, guys, hang in there with me, and I'll see you soon. What's up, guys? So I am back. It's been about almost a full day since I allowed my hair to dry. When I left you guys, I did sit under my hooded blow dryer for about 30 minutes. Then I put my bonnet on and hit the bed. I was so tired by the end of the day. So I'm back to share my final results with you, give you guys my final reviews, and talk a little bit more about the Curlsmith products. Okay, guys, so as you can see with the smile on my face, I am super happy with this wash and go. I do have the ton of products right here, and I'm going to pull out the gel and also the cream because these two products really helped define and shape my wash and go. They were 100% absolutely amazing. I'm shook with the results. It is a lightweight hold for sure. There's a little bit of a crunch. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in and separate it. I know it looks like it's already separated, but it's actually not. There is still a cast on it, so I'm going to go and break the cast, and I'm going to fluff it out a little bit, and I'll be right back, and we can talk a little bit more about the Curlsmith products. Whew. Alright, guys, so I am back. Both of the sides have been broken from the cast now, so you can see that it is a little bit more fuller, a little bit more voluminous. So me simply going in and just separating the curls from each other give it so much more volume, as you can see with Exhibit A. So guys, the very last product that I am going to put in my hair is the Scalp Stimulating Booster, and this is for every type of scalp, as they say on this on the bottle. So just to clarify, there were two applicator bottles in this collection. One is for the daytime and one is for the nighttime. The full length density elixir is what you're supposed to use at night, which we did yesterday. And then the Scalp Stimulating Booster is what you use during the daytime. So this is what we'll be using right now. So here there's a bubble coming out of it, a couple bubbles. Wow, okay. It's a little sudsy, but I'm not sure if that's just from all the product that's like in there. Scalp care is very important. It's just as important as taking care of your shaft and your ends. It's just as important as getting trims. And I'll just show you guys how it actually looks. Look at that. And guys, the very last thing that I'm going to talk to you guys about that Curlsmith did send me is their Ultimate Lengths 30-day therapy. And here it is right here. It does look like they're capsules. It's a 30-day pill that you're supposed to be taking. And this is ultimately going to help with hair growth and hair health. Okay, so here are the two. I'm not like the best when it comes to popping pills, guys, not gonna lie, but we're just gonna go for it. They don't taste bad, but I know that I'm not taking medicine or capsules for taste. I'm taking it for health, so it shouldn't matter how it tastes. So again, this is going to be your 30-day supply, and it's for all hair types, and it just encourages hair growth and healthy hair. That's all of the products that we just reviewed and discussed. Guys, if you like this video and enjoyed looking at the Curlsmith scalp recipe, I really hope that you learned something cool. If you did, go ahead and click that subscribe button below. You can also hit the bell to be notified when I do updates. I love partnering with brands and talking to you guys more about what's out there. I think that Curlsmith is a huge business. Everybody knows about them, and if you don't, hopefully my video got to you so you can learn a little bit more about their products. Well guys, without further ado, I am gonna let you guys go. My name is Aaliyah. This is, as always, Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.